Hey, what is this?
I wonder that television on TV watch some TV.
Precautions. Be prepared to take the proper actions if an earthquake occurs. If indoors, take cover under a piece of sturdy furniture. Stay away from windows, doors, and exterior walls. If outdoors, move away from buildings, lights, and utility poles. If in a vehicle, stop in an open area, away from buildings, trees, or overpass. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, or television outlets for further
Oh no, an earthquake? We are going to be in serious trouble.